How to change DevPlay account email in Cookie Run Kingdom. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your DevPlay account email in Cookie Run Kingdom. Cookie Run Kingdom doesn't directly let you edit the email address. Instead, you change it by logging out and signing in with different linked account. Just follow these steps carefully. First, launch Cookie Run Kingdom. On the home screen, tap the three lines menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. Then tap Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Info tab. Here you will see your current DevPlay account email. Tap Logout. A message will appear telling you the game will restart. Confirm by tapping Logout again. After the game restarts, you will return to the login screen. Now sign in using a different account. Google, Apple, Facebook. Whichever account you log in with becomes your new DevPlay email. So you're not actually editing the email, you're switching the account linked to the game. If this video helped you, do like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave it in the comment section.